So this is our second 7 Blacksmiths trailer only wheel chock from Amazon. And we love how thick the metal is, that it can store our e-bikes, our small dirt bikes, our large adventure motorcycles. And it fits on the trailer very, very nicely, as you see below here. We've had the first one for about 6 months. We just ordered the second one in today. So we're gonna give you a review. Putting this together is pretty simple. There aren't a lot of parts and there's not a lot of pieces. The instructions are very basic. So the side with the lip on the channel is the front. Match this up to the front. And we have the smallest of the 3 called the short cradle pin. They provide these nice little rings for you so it's easy to grab them out. Axle in, put another pin. Next up, we put in the backstop. So you have a number of different holes. They had this set to the third to the last, which fits most of the adventure bike stuff. When you ride the motorcycle on, it holds the bike up while you get it secured. Next up, we're going to attach the chock to the trailer using our robust pieces of metal here, our stainless steel hardware, and then we take our thumb screws to attach the chock to the base plate. So the 7 Blacksmiths chock is phenomenal. We have had, over the 6 months we've had the first one, it has performed flawlessly. We've left it out, we've patted in, taken it off, left it on. It works in all configurations. The new one here, we'll be using it on e-bikes, adventure bikes, you name it. So highly recommend this product. It is a very reasonable, very easy to install wheel chock. And my name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.